A magnitude 5.9 earthquake jolted eastern Taiwan again on Monday, one day after a series of earthquakes struck the Hualien and Taidong areas. The largest intensity in the Hualien area was 5 on the Richter scale and 2 in northern Taiwan. The strong quakes have caused significant damage to the architecture and infrastructure across the country over the past few days.
铁路的部分是比较严重的哈，铁路总共有11处哈，我们的轨道是错区隆起。
The strong quakes also caused rocks from Hualien's 60-stone mountain to fall, trapping more than 400 tourists in the mountainous area. The military immediately dispatched emergency units to assist the stranded tourists.
比我们想象严重，因为昨天我们清到5点多的时候，有一次的余震，把我们那个清洁人员呢都整个跟落石都冲到山下去。
Faced with this natural disaster, President Ing-wen said that the central government will allocate all necessary resources to help those affected in the best way possible and as quickly as possible.
第一，调度跨部会救灾资源及能力，全力的投入救灾的工作。现在余震不断，我要请卫福部协助华东地区的地方政府进行收容所的准备。
Earlier that day, Premier Su Zhenchang also brought an administrative team to the disaster areas to offer their condolences and see the current progress of the search and rescue. Taiwan lies near the junction of 2 tectonic plates and is prone to earthquakes. More than 100 people were killed in a quake in southern Taiwan in 2016, while a 7.3 magnitude quake killed more than 2,000 people in 1999. TVBS English News.